Hey guys, welcome back to another video here with SirMaloPerformance. Today I'm going to be working on my 2000 or 99 Honda Civic. I'll be doing the LED bulbs. Now, I purchased these on eBay. They're just cheap and convenient, and I wanted to see what these LED bulbs were all about. Now these don't come with ballast, and they're not the usual ones that have a little fan on the back. So it's an LED bulb style, but it goes directly to the harness of your car. In this case, this car. Now currently this bulb went out. That one works just fine, and we're just going to replace it. So stay tuned and let's get this thing done. Let's go pop that in. So we want to gain access to the back of the headlight. I'll start with the one that's broken. If you can gain access to the back, because you don't have a power steering pump, I have a power steering pump, so I have to do this. Put my bolts there. And all I'm doing is removing those bolts just to create space from that reservoir from the headlight, and just trying to create space without having to drop that whole bumper. This is the boot that's in the back of the headlight. The way to access this, again, you remove the boot. Here's your boot by creating space. And then it's like a little unhinged wire that you push down. You push down on the tab, because it has these little mounting brackets. You push down on the tab, and then it unhinges. It just opens up, and it just stays there. It shouldn't fall off. If it does fall off, good luck. Alright, let's go ahead and install these bulbs. Again, like I showed you previously in the intro, the reason why I wanted to try these, because obviously they were inexpensive, no more than $15, $20, but it's the same style. So again, and it's still a three-prong, You get it. Let's go ahead and put this in. Once you have that hinge installed on the backside to lock on that three-prong setup, again, the three prongs like this, when you mount it onto the bulb on this way, your third prong will stay up. Let's go ahead and install the boot. The boot is now installed. Before anything gets tied down, it's obviously good to do a test run. Let's go ahead and do that now. So by the looks of it, it looks like it's working just fine. In this case, it was just a plug and play install, so no splicing and cutting wires for me, which is perfect, and I get to save myself a whole bunch of time to go work on the next one. But before I get to the other side, remember to install the two 10mm bolts. Chase them in by hand first. Now tighten. It's plastic, so you don't have to twerk it down like crazy. As long as it clicks or pumps or it's hand tight, you're good to go. Let's go ahead and shut off these lights. Just reach, disconnect the plug, pull back, remove the boot, unhinge the bolt, and go ahead and take out that bolt. Extremely hot. Go ahead and put it here on the cooler. Sorry, this is a little bit loud. That is the pump trying to suck up some water. Alright, hopefully you guys can hear me a little bit better. So again, what I did was, just in case that was too noisy, on the passenger side, since I do have an intake, you don't have to remove the bolts like I did on the driver's side. Just because of ease of access, I was able to unpull the plug for the headlight, detach the boot, and then I was able to unhook the pin that holds the bulb down. Now again, let me grab my new bulb. This again, same thing. Let's go ahead and install it. Go ahead and mount in the bulb. Now put the clip and it should hold it in place. If it wiggles or falls out, it's because it's not fully mounted. You're going to have more fun on that side than you will on that side. That side will be easier because you can see. If you want to do the passenger side first because it's easier, don't forget to put on your boot. If you want to do the passenger side because it's easier, go for it. Get yourself acquainted. That way you can knock out the driver's side. Give these a try. Now that it's on there, it's mounted. You see how fast that was? Not even 3-4 minutes. I know I'm talking with you guys, so it might take a little bit longer. But you guys are in the zone. You guys are going to knock out this job really fast. The only time-consuming one is this driver's side. As you can see, both bulbs work, so I'm more happier that both of them turned on versus just the one. So now getting pulled over shouldn't be a problem. If you want to check out more videos, more creations that I have worked on, personal vehicles as well as customer vehicles, it's on my channel. So stay tuned for those videos, and then please like and subscribe. Thank you. Peace.